bare lige indskyde, at jeg har jo været inde og se ham Sebos YouTube-video, ham Sebo, som du købte han der 4x4 af. Og jeg må bare lige komme med skud ud til Sebo og til Seaside Garage. Det er edderbange med en fed YouTube-kanal, og jeg vil anbefale alle at gå ind og kigge på nogle af Sebos projekter.
So yeah, I'm just working on the Clio. No video on this, but I'm finished changing the cam belt. I just thought that I would real quick change the water pump, but the water pump is right there. And as you can see, all the bolts seems to be pretty easy to get at, but one of them is not possible to get at. So I had to remove this bracket, and to do that I would have to remove the servo pump, and that is attached to another bracket back here, which is attached to some stuff, and I couldn't really get to the last bolt, so I had to take out the radiator and also move some of the plumbing for the servo, and I suddenly remember why I really like old school 8V engines, but this car is going to be amazing, so it's all the work worth. But right now it's a long evening. I'm not going to make much video about this, but I will make a video when I'm finished with this on getting all the other stuff back together. To be honest, I thought it would be a bit too boring of a video to change a water pump, so but most likely there is an easier way than the way I'm doing it, but I can't really see that way right now. And also, this car got blue water coolant in it. I don't really like that when the cylinder head is made of aluminum, so I'm going to change that with the red liquid. To do that I will have to drain all the blue liquid, so it's not that bad that I had to take out the radiator, but still it feels a little bit silly. The thing you heard in the intro of this little video in Danish, most of you most likely won't understand a word of it, but that's a very cool Danish car podcast called Bilklubben, and they just talked about my channel today, and it's a pretty cool experience to work on your car in your garage late at night, and then listening to a podcast on the radio about cars, and then suddenly your name comes up. So thank you for that, guys. And yeah, this was just a small video update for today. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. And go listen to Bilklubben, if you can understand Danish, that is.